Hi, welcome to our Pharma Topics channel, which aims at simplifying the pharmacy subjects and allied health sciences subjects. Our topic of discussion is evaluation of analgesics. There are two kinds of analgesics, which are centrally acting as well as peripherally acting. Centrally acting analgesics are opioids, and all the other analgesics are peripherally acting analgesics. We'll see both the evaluations. The first method is Eddy's hot plate method. A hot plate or pan is kept at 55 degrees centigrade, above which the rats or mice are placed. The time taken for the animal to lick its paw to withstand the heat or jump out of the pan, the cabin, is taken as the end point. So the paw licking and the jump response at the basal reaction time will be noted. The reaction time after treatment will also be compared. So there will be two group of animals. One is a control group which receives the vehicle, and the test group. When the reaction time increases, it determines its analgesic activity. The next method is tail flick method or tail flick analgesiometer. There will be a restrainer where the rat will be placed, protruding its tail outwards. The protruding tail is kept under a hot surface. The time taken for the tail to flick as a escape mechanism is noted in this experiment. So the tail flick reaction time at the basal reaction time and the reaction time after treatment, or whether it may be control or the drug treated, will be noted. The increase in the reaction time determines its analgesic activity. The other methods, you may use hot water maintained at 55 degrees centigrade, or very cold water with ethylene glycol can also be used to evaluate this central analgesic activity. The next method is Hafner's tail clip method. Artery clip is placed at the end of the rat tail. The basal reaction time of the animal to bite the clip will be taken as the end point. Reaction time after treatment, whether it may be control or the treatment groups, will be compared. Increase in the reaction time determines its analgesic activity. So we will see the evaluation of peripheral analgesics. The first method is Randall Selito method. Brewer's yeast is injected to the paw of the rats, and then the animal is kept in the Randall Selito apparatus, where there is increased graded pressures will be increased on the inflamed paw. So the basal reaction time, that is a backward movement of head or a squeaking response, is taken as the end point. So the reaction time at the after the treatment of whether control or vehicle or the test drug will be compared. Increase in the reaction time determines the analgesic activity of the test compound. The next method is acetic acid induced writhing. So this is determined in mice. Acetic acid at 5 mg per kg is injected to the intraperitoneal cavity of the mice. The mice will be noted for characteristic stretching of the abdomen and a circular movement, that is called writhing. So the number of writhes in control and the drug treated will be compared. Decrease in the number of writhes determines the analgesic activity of the test compound. So this is a nutshell information of evaluation of analgesics. I hope it will be useful for the pharmacy students. Thank you for listening. Happy learning. Kindly share this to more of your friends. Kindly subscribe to our Pharma Topics channel and encourage us to put more videos for your subjects. Thank you.